Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Jason G here. Hope you're having a kick-ass day. So LawnBright, we're going to be using LawnBright in the yard this year, you know, hashtag yard guy, right? So LawnBright comes with soil test kit. So that's the first thing we got to do with this program. That's what this video is going to be about. So this year we're going to be working with LawnBright in my yard. So first thing we got to do, soil test kit, right? You can't know where you're standing in the yard with nutrients and what you might need until you get your soil test. So first step first, let's do that. All right, so just find a couple spots in your yard and you're gonna go a few inches down. Dig out some of that soil because you want to know what's down in there, right? What's down in the root zone. So just gonna scoop some of this out. You know, coffee can, little bucket, whatever. Let's find another spot. Alright, so we got our soil. Alright, yep, so select a few areas that are along the sample, 3 to 4 inches down in each area, removing any grassy top, and put the soil into the bag. They even send you a bag. Fill to this line, so you're going to take your soil. You don't want any organic material in there, really. I mean, there's going to be some, obviously, roots and things like that, but any pieces of grass or rocks, try not to get that in there. I think we got it in there. Should be good. Soil sample. I'm gonna seal it up. It already comes already addressed. So all you do is put your sample in there and seal it up. Drop it in the mailbox. All right, so we'll send that off, and you know, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon to be notified when we can get those soil test results. So here are the results, and you can see that my pH is a little bit high. We'll see if they'll send me anything that can fix that. Phosphorus, we're good. Should give that new grass seed in the back plenty of nutrients to put those roots down, and then and magnesium and calcium has always been high. So this is the 3rd year I've done this, and LawnBright's going to send me all the products that I need to take care of it. LawnBright, information in the description down below. There is a code down there. You can save money off your order. So check it out. See you in the next video.